Hey, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Dent coin price update. What's the price of Dent coin? What's the price changes? Okay, let me show you these all update in this short video. But before starting this video, if you're new on my channel or if you don't subscribe, so please make sure to subscribe our channel for more latest update and news videos, guys. So let's see the last 1 week price chart and let's make a prediction about Dent coin. Wow, guys, you can see here, guys, in the last week, the Bitcoin price highly pump in the market. You can see here that is a quick jump. But right now situation, you can see here now they are again in the dumping. So again, people ask me question that what should we do in right now situation? Is it a good time to buy, sell, or hold? So first of all, I recommend for these all holders that it's good time to hold. It's good time to hold, guys. Maybe, guys, possibilities that the price dump for 1 day, uh, but guys, after 1 day there is again possibilities that the price will pump. That is a short time dump. That is a short time dump. My prediction tells that there is a short time dump, and after some passage of time the price will again pump. You just hold, don't decide to sell. And guys, it is still opportunity for all of you to invest in a dent coin, because you know what, it is a short time dump. So invest in a short time dump because the price is very cheap right now. If you want to enter in the market, so it's good. Just buy and hold for long term. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more latest news and update videos.